Did you know the first alarm clock could ring only at 4 a.m.? In 1787, American inventor Levi Hutchins created a mechanical alarm clock in Concord, New Hampshire. Unlike modern clocks, his device was built to ring at a single fixed time, 4 in the morning, because that was when Hutchins needed to wake up for work. The clock could not be adjusted to ring at any other hour. While it was never mass-produced, Hutchins's invention helped inspire the development of adjustable alarm clocks that would appear decades later, eventually becoming a common tool in daily life.